Explore giant machines, steel monsters roaring in the deep jungle, where raw power meets precision technology. These machines are not just equipment, but the heartbeat of modern forestry, changing the way we exploit forests. Click to subscribe to the channel and prepare yourself well to receive the unique combination of technology and nature. Even though I have witnessed many tree-cutting incidents, this video still makes me take my hat off in admiration. The workers' composure, confidence, and talent in a stressful situation are admirable. Not only does he control every situation, but he also turns dangerous work into an art performance, with each precise cut like a perfect harmony between humans and nature in just 5 minutes. Take Roger Eldred, owner of Confederate Shake and Shingle, a master in the art of cedar woodworking. With more than 20 years of experience, he meticulously sharpens the 1.2-meter-long saw head, preparing for perfect cuts. This job requires high skill, patience, and attention to the smallest details. The sharp saw head not only ensures smooth, precise cuts, but also preserves the natural beauty of cedar wood, helping to process an average of 200 wood panels per day, providing outstanding quality products. Are you having a headache because of overgrown tree stumps in your garden? The double UG24 PTO stump grinder will solve all your problems. With this machine, cleaning the garden becomes easier than ever. Just connect to the tractor's PTO shaft. You can refresh your garden. The machine is capable of grinding tree stumps up to 60 km in diameter, helping to quickly and effectively remove stubborn tree stumps, providing a spacious, clean garden space in just a short time. Participation in the long haul of timber in Hammelburg, and the surrounding area is being carried out with professionalism by the driver. Long logs from 4 to 12 meters are harvested from lush green forests, then processed and neatly stacked onto specialized trucks. In particular, Brenholz, the service provider, commits to quality with the ability to transport up to 20 tons per trip, meeting the large wood needs of customers. Have you ever heard about PONSSE Scorpion, a multi-purpose, powerful, and flexible logging machine? Be comment 1 and share your thoughts on how this technology can change the forestry industry. The L580 log handler, the LiberX power drive system, provides rapid acceleration with travel speeds of up to 30 km/h, improving work quality. So impressive. This was the first cutting by helicopter, an unforgettable, impressive, and magical experience, when modern technology perfectly combined with exquisite engineering. To prepare for winter, people use Massey Ferguson 5711M tractors to drag large pine logs to the workshop. Here, the Dalen 2054 sawmill will demonstrate its splitting ability, turning around logs into suitable logs, measuring 5 cm and 20 cm wide. These piles of firewood will then be dried to make firewood, warming the whole family on cold winter days. The skill to cut trees safely and properly is to keep a distance when the tree falls. Can you believe it? The forestry industry has just launched a new product called the new 6-wheeled Nisula N5, equipped with a P99 crane and a Nisula 500H harvester head, capable of processing wood with a diameter of up to 50 cm. The machine is mainly used in the logging industry in large forests, helping to increase harvest productivity. The P99 crane, with the ability to lift loads of up to 1.5 tons, helps move large logs, while the Nisula 500H harvester head, with the ability to precisely cut wood at speeds of up to 40 trees per hour without spending too much money. Manual machine rental fee. Compared to conventional wood peeling machines, the pair of John Deere 2954D and Denharco DM 4450 really stand out. Equipped with a 170 horsepower engine and a hydraulic oil flow of 330 liters per minute, the 2954D handles the job with ease. Denharco DM 4450, with sharp blades and the ability to cut wood up to 45 km in diameter, helps crush tree bark to leave shiny wood trunks. This duo makes logging work simpler than ever. Luckily, we're going downhill. In the forest, an experienced woodsawer stood facing a poisonous tree 5 feet tall and with a base diameter of up to 30 inches. The tree stood firm like a tower, but its branches and leaves began to fall and sway in the wind. With a specialized saw in hand, he began cutting each layer of wood. The sound of the saw tearing wood echoed in the quiet space. Each cut of the saw was very careful. He knew that with just one mistake, the tree would fall immediately. Finally, the poisonous tree fell, freeing the entire forest from its hidden threat. This is how the Valtra, a 93 forestry tractor with a 210 horsepower engine and large trailer combination works, widely used in logging in large forests in Finland. The tractor has the ability to move flexibly on difficult terrain and carry up to 10 tons of wood. The hydraulic system helps lift and lower loads easily, optimizing performance and providing a great experience for the operator. In Majaninka, Finland, 2 Volvo ECR 145 ELM 120Q and TMK machinery 220Q machines are operating on a 20-hectare forest, quickly turning wood into small chips for the energy industry, processing up to 30 tons of wood per hour. On a cold winter day in Germany, the MAN TG-X 33560, a logging beast, rushed through snow-covered roads, dragging heavy wooden beams. With a powerful 560 horsepower engine and a towing weight of up to 60 tons, the vehicle is not afraid of harsh conditions, confidently transporting long and heavy wooden panels to mining areas. The wheels firmly cut through the thick snow, affirming the machine's superior strength in a challenging winter. The next interesting machine is the Ultratech wood trailer, a durable and lightweight product from Finland, specially designed for transporting wood. With a swivel base for easy maneuvering on difficult terrain, an adjustable wooden device, and many convenient accessories such as a cable jack, 12V battery pack, and utility platform. The trailer has a load capacity of up to 15 kg, providing stability and completing the job quickly. The LKT-80 Schroebeli is traveling on a forest road in a challenging environment where the machine has to face mud and rough terrain. The tractor's 80 horsepower engine roared like a wild animal, belching smoke as it plowed through the muddy roads, managing to overcome every obstacle. Even when encountering deep mud puddles, the machine still stubbornly completes the job, proving its outstanding strength in all harsh conditions. Discover the processing of the Linea Store T2, an advanced device capable of processing wood up to 2,000 m per day while optimizing production processes in the wood industry. To meet high precision requirements, the machine can cut and saw wooden panels up to 6 meters in length, saving time and costs. Not only does it stand out with its impressive performance, but it also has a user-friendly design that helps reduce maintenance time and costs. This is truly a great solution for those who need to process wood in large quantities. Watch the BAV-ARIASL 130. I grind large oak logs to perfection, giving pleasure and the impression of its power in woodworking. The roaring engine of the SKT tree pruning machine tore through the quiet atmosphere of the garden. The sharp 30 km diameter cutting blade quickly sawed into the 80 km diameter old tree trunk in just 15 minutes, the splintered pieces of wood falling to the wet ground. The vibrant work scene blends with birdsong to create a cheerful summer symphony. With a chainsaw in hand, the artist skillfully turns a rough block of jackfruit wood into a sophisticated sculpture. After sketching an image of a phoenix with a wingspan of 1.2, the artist began rough cutting with a chainsaw, creating the basic shape with an error of only 2 mm. Next, he brought the ideal tool to meticulously carve 500 feathers. Delicate eyes with a diameter of only 5 mm and a curved beak with high precision. Through talented hands, the phoenix gradually appears alive, as if spreading its wings to fly. Besides smart wood-splitting tools, there is still a manual method to split large logs, using tools such as twisting wedges, chisels, large axes, and small axes, which is a challenging and demanding job. High ability. With logs up to 2 meters long, the twisted wedge is pounded to create long cracks. Then a large axe and chisel are used to split the wood into 30 cm long pieces. Finally, the small axe finishes the logs to a size that suits the consumer's needs.
Skilled takes pride in introducing the Stone Bear 2.60 as an efficient and convenient solution for stone removal in agricultural operations. Designed with advanced technology, it saves time compared to manual stone picking. Notably, the high-capacity design of the lifting rotor and shield ensures robust performance and the ability to withstand heavy loads. The Stone Bear 2.60 efficiently collects and processes stones up to 50 centimeters in size. The machine is equipped with a 5-ton capacity hopper, enhancing continuous operation without the need to pause for hopper unloading. The ERS-20ST Rubber Flex is an outstanding harvester with unique design features. Rubber Flex rubber finger wheels provide a working width of up to 11.5 meters without the need for a drive shaft or gearbox. The machine adjusts and forms rows in one go, optimizing efficiency. Equipped with a fuel-efficient diesel engine, it consumes only 0.7 liters/ha. The machine is not only simple and reliable, but also minimizes the failure rate, greatly improving overall performance. Finally, the Menzie Muck M 545 operates powerfully. Equipped with a 4-cylinder engine with a power of up to 157 GP, the machine performs robustly and efficiently. The flexible lifting force, ranging from 3.0 m with a weight of nearly 9.2 tons to 6.0 m with a weight of 4.1 tons, allows the M545 to adapt to various work scenarios. With an operating weight of 13 tons, it ensures stability when working on diverse terrains. The versatile MVD tilt bucket makes it a reliable choice for applications requiring high flexibility. Next is the Kramer 8145T excavator with its load sensing and Z kinematics system, ensuring impressive performance in the load range of 9-12 tons. The cabin features an innovative design, incorporating various technical enhancements for a modern user experience. Hydraulic quick change equipment allows the machine to adapt well to demanding applications. The powerful Deutz engine, coupled with a high-capacity reversible fan, and the continuously variable EcoSpeed Pro transmission makes it a versatile solution for construction and excavation tasks. Next, let me introduce the Chemrock KR120 with an output power of 90 kilowatts, a specialized tool for construction and demolition tasks. With 80 cutting picks and a rotational speed of 78 revolutions per minute, it ensures high efficiency in processing hard materials. Its robust design and ability to operate in challenging environments make the Chemrock KR120 an invaluable tool for enhancing productivity. The TigerCat LSX 870D operates as a powerful forestry track machine equipped with a TigerCat FPT C87 engine with 450 horsepower. Combined with a specialized pump to provide versatile and abundant energy. Designed with advanced technology and optimized systems for various slope applications including logging, tree felling, and shovel logging, this machine excels in challenging terrains. TigerCat's premium undercarriage features enhanced length and width, ensuring exceptional stability, especially when working on steep slopes. To start, let me introduce you to the epitome of modernity, the impressive Volvo L250G OptiShift articulated dump truck. With the Comfort Drive Control CDC system, it delivers a smooth and user-friendly experience. The optimized electro-hydraulic servo controller ensures precise and fast operation during lifting and lowering tasks. Equipped with a sturdy VB attachment bucket, it proves to be powerful and suitable for tasks such as material handling and rock removal. The McCloskey S190 vibrating screen combined with the Volvo EC480D excavator is in full swing at the Asklev Stenleya gravel mine in Denmark, demonstrating the machine's power and versatility in a mining environment. This combination is a testament to the power and adaptability of these machines in demanding extraction settings. To start, I'll show you the icon of modernity, the impressive Volvo L250G OptiShift articulated dump truck. With the Comfort Drive Control CDC system, it delivers a smooth and user-friendly experience. The optimized electro-hydraulic servo controller ensures precise and fast operation during lifting and lowering. Equipped with a sturdy VB attachment bucket, it proves to be powerful and suitable for tasks such as material handling and stone removal. The McCloskey S190 vibrating screen combined with the Volvo EC480D excavator is operating at full capacity at the Asklev Stenleje gravel mine in Denmark, demonstrating the machine's power and versatility in a mining environment. This combination serves as proof of the power and adaptability of these machines in demanding extraction settings. Senebogen is a renowned brand in the field of material handling and construction machinery, particularly with its 875 Material Handler E-Series. Known for its outstanding performance, the machine is primarily used for coal handling at ports. The machine's flexibility and ease of control help optimize job productivity while minimizing time and effort. Senebogen has become a preferred choice for many businesses and global transportation ports, showcasing its crucial role in the material handling industry. First, let's admire the ILF Alpha lawnmower with a multi-function arm, advanced technology that ensures high performance, safety, and flexibility during operation. The machine has three types of arms, T, F, and 3P, each with a different length. The cab rotates 90 degrees and complies with FOPS ROPS standards. The four-cylinder diesel engine and swing arm are designed to operate up to 24 in length and 2080 in height. Its unique shape optimizes road maintenance features, combining roadside mowing with roadside finishing work. The telescopic arm extension allows for quick and efficient work, especially in difficult situations. Surpassing all speed limits and introducing the new Valoterra Ultimate Seeder in the fields. A unique combination of innovations for seed planting at every speed. It's not just a seed drill, but a pinnacle of innovation. With the ability to work at various speeds, it addresses speed-related challenges in the seeding process. Advanced features help the machine adapt to any terrain and weather conditions, enhancing performance and quality in the seeding process. Meeting the diverse needs of the construction industry, the Chemrock EK150 chain cutter deserves mention. With a weight range of 35 to 50 tons and a rated power of 150 kilowatts, it ensures robust and efficient operations. Equipped with a PH32 HD gearbox operating at a hydraulic pressure of 400 bars, it ensures swift cutting capabilities while maintaining a stable oil flow. This configuration makes the machine suitable for quick and precise cutting tasks in demanding construction environments. The Kalmar DRG 100, a hero in the realm of container transportation, is more than just an ordinary forklift. Its robust design, stable operation, and advanced technology make the DRG 100 stand out in the loading and unloading of empty and semi-laden containers. The Kalmar DRG 100 is not only about efficient transportation, but also represents innovation shaping the container industry in the modern era. A remarkable advancement in agriculture, the autonomous tomato harvester robot is standing out through its ability to harvest entire rows of tomatoes simultaneously, almost like it's dancing in harmony with the plants. The robot's flexible mobility and high performance not only enhance tomato harvesting efficiency, but also reduce waste and improve harvest quality. With its dual arms, the process becomes even more optimized, promising significant benefits for farmers, from time savings to ensuring the efficiency and quality of agricultural products. This marks a significant milestone in the modernization of the agriculture industry. The tube-line BF8000 bale processor is a unique solution in agriculture designed to efficiently handle and distribute hay bales. With the ability to mulch and fertilize, the machine enhances productivity and saves time for farmers. Ensuring uniform distribution of bales reduces labor efforts and enhances efficiency in caring for animals or fertilizing. With advanced technology, this machine optimizes the value of hay bales, providing economic and environmental benefits. The Challenger MT700E represents the pinnacle of technology in the agricultural sector, featuring groundbreaking operational methods. Designed from the ground up with a maximum power of 431 horsepower, it showcases impressive strength. The machine operates in harmony, from its powerful engine to its advanced transmission system. State-of-the-art technology optimizes performance and energy efficiency, enabling the equipment to operate robustly and effectively. The special emphasis on comfort and ease of control in its structure makes this vehicle a reliable partner in agriculture. Gruner Raptor, the crop-cutting machine, excels with the ability to cut branches up to a diameter of 10 centimeters. With two horizontal cutting blades, this machine operates effectively both below and above the tree canopy. The 8-degree tilt angle ensures precise cutting and reduces contact between tree branches and the machine. Adjusting the height, tilt angle, and lateral movement of the frame allows the machine to operate flexibly, adapting to the specific characteristics of the tree canopy. The cutting blades are made from high-quality components, utilizing a cutting system from the renowned brand Schumacher. The stabilizing sheath of the supporting post protects the structure from damage during transport or sudden braking. The Homer Hex Trax is an icon in the field of sugar beet harvesting, delivering significant performance and utility. With the ability to simultaneously handle 12 rows of sugar beets, this machine is quick and powerful, optimizing the harvesting process to yield several tons per hour. Advanced technology and flexible mobility on all terrains enhance its efficiency. The specialized design not only boosts performance but also minimizes losses and enhances the quality of work. With its large capacity, the machine efficiently handles and transports sugar beets, optimizing the entire working process. Explore the wonders of modern agricultural machinery technology today and share your thoughts. Don't forget to leave comments below, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel for updates on new and exciting videos. The chainless X2000 is a breakthrough in providing feed for cattle. With its wireless capability, the machine helps farmers switch and deliver feed from rolled grass flexibly and efficiently. Its advanced design minimizes waste and enhances feed management. The X2000 not only works with rolled grass, but also adapts easily to baled feed, providing diversity in the nutritional regimen for cattle. With its wireless feature, the machine reduces effort and time for farmers, optimizing the feeding and care process for cattle. Instead of having to go to each plant for trimming, now we have the reliable companion, Gruner, designed to operate precisely in crop trimming. It not only helps control weeds, but also protects the growth of crops. With advanced technology, this machine can handle various types of soil without harming the root system. Particularly notable for its mobility and flexibility, it enhances efficiency in various agricultural environments. By ingeniously combining the Atlas mobile crane and the Vicon Sluitvulpers waste compactor, the Geber. Tolinar team not only cleans ditches but also achieves unparalleled efficiency. The mobile Atlas crane with its flexible mobility acts as a versatile soldier in accessing challenging areas. The Vicon Sluitvulpers waste compactor not only collects but also compresses waste vigorously, optimizing the processing and minimizing effort. The intelligent synergy between these two devices not only brings efficiency, but also fosters flexibility and precision in every task. Let's explore Gerald Farm's unique way of using baler connection to harvest and bale hay at the same time. This innovation speeds up the baling process with a powerful H&S 12-wheel V-rake, pulling a New Holland 460 round baler. A powerful Case 115 Magnum tractor serves as the engine for the hay train. This effect. Gerald Farms not only operate quickly but also maximize agricultural production through synchronized operations. The Sandvik DD322i, an advanced multifunctional drilling rig from Sandvik Mining, brings high efficiency and reliability to mining and tunneling applications. With a coverage area of up to 60 square meters and hole lengths ranging from 5 to 7 m, it maximizes flexibility and versatility. Equipped with a static hydraulic drive system and a TCD3 6 diesel engine, the DD322i delivers impressive power and performance. Its compact new design allows easy maneuverability through narrow passages and intersections. With high automation capabilities, the Sandvik DD322i not only provides accuracy but also optimizes the drilling process. The amphibious Excavator Arkansas, designed for water immersion, stands as an icon of durability and performance. Constructed with meticulous care, from material analysis to engineering design and manufacturing processes, it excels in every aspect. Notably, the integrated pad in the arm can withstand heavy loads, enhancing the machine's lifespan. With a broad operational range and reliable safety features, this excavator becomes the perfect choice for projects demanding high multitasking capabilities. The Caterpillar 990, one of the largest excavators on the market, boasts a powerful engine with 800 nanometers of torque, making it a formidable force not only in conquering any terrain but also in tackling the most challenging tasks. With an impressive lifting capacity of 8 tons and exceptional operational capabilities, this machine becomes an indispensable companion for construction projects. Its flexibility in movement, robust design, and advanced control technology set the Caterpillar 990 apart, enhancing not only its power, but also optimizing work efficiency. The perfect choice for soil transport tasks, Schul excels in every aspect. Every detail of the machine adheres to high standards, from reversible and easily replaceable teeth made of corrosion-resistant RT400 steel bolts. The machine's mechanical system is securely protected by a sliding clutch system, while the hydraulic version allows for flexible pressure adjustments. The premium frame is designed to withstand shocks and heavy loads in challenging terrains. Do you know how Precision Air 5 works? It is a groundbreaking tool in the field of agricultural seeds. With a capacity of 400 liters, the machine reduces refilling time and enhances continuous operation. Its advanced control system and flexibility in using a variety of seeds make it a versatile choice for a wide variety of crops. Remote control systems and precision technology ensure uniform distribution across all field areas. Case IH500 marks a significant advancement in the field of agriculture, bringing modernity and efficient functionality. With the triple system, it intelligently transports and sows seeds across all terrains. Advanced technology enhances productivity and significantly reduces labor efforts. Its flexibility and adaptability make it a valuable partner for farmers, ensuring optimal efficiency in every hectare of cultivated land. The Valtra N163 and Monosem Monoshocks NG plus M seeder form an excellent combination for corn planting. The Monosem Monoshocks NG plus M, with the ability to seed with compressed air on 8 rows and a unique disc system, ensures precision and uniformity in seed placement. The combination of these two devices brings optimal efficiency in the corn planting process, especially when integrated with a power pack and 4 integrated fertilizer containers, enhancing the capacity and quality of agricultural production. The elegant design and quality standards of Liebherr trucks are evidence of their outstanding reliability. The optimized logbook processing ensures easy task execution. The design structure is well suited for accessibility, minimizing downtime. With a loading capacity of 30 tons and a large gripping area of up to 8.2 square meters, the truck is not only powerful but also meets high standards. The telescopic boom crane provides a reach of up to 8.5 meters and a stacking height of 8.9 meters, Handling timber below the floor is a notable advantage, creating conditions for efficient and diverse wood processing. An icon of strength and efficiency in agriculture, especially when handling the barley harvesting process. The New Holland CR 10.90 with its 450 horsepower is not only fast but also delivers impressive performance, helping farmers optimize yield. The unique feature is the 12-row folding harvester head from ETA Pavin, which plays a crucial role in processing a large and uniform quantity of barley. In favorable conditions, the machine achieves high operational efficiency, ensuring that each hectare of land is harvested quickly and accurately. A shining star of the grassland, the Highline NT60E is created to efficiently tackle the challenge of collecting rocks. Specifically designed for the European market, this machine is robust with few moving parts and features a serviceable hydraulic braking system. The Highline NT60E is not just a grooming tool for pastures. It's a reliable partner that helps farmers reduce their workload and save time. Farmers can trust in the quality and convenience of this rock picker with support from Aurea Agriculture. The QON Knight HP 170M commercial hydraulic push manure spreader utilizes the proven and popular ProPush registered trademark design, now enhanced with a moving floor and increased capacity. With VertiSpread registered trademark vertical beaters using a hydraulic push-type design, the HP 170M can haul and spread various waste materials from dairy farms and feedlots. The hydraulic push-type design eliminates apron chains, reduces moving parts, and enhances reliable service life. OB80R Kistenwagen is a versatile crate trailer, specifically designed for efficient fruit harvesting and transportation. With its large crate capacity, it enhances harvesting efficiency and optimizes the transportation process. This helps reduce labor and time, especially during the harvesting of large-sized fruits. OB80R plays a crucial role in the cider production chain, ensuring continuity and efficiency in the process of converting fruits into high-quality products. The Woodcracker C550 is considered West Tech's largest tree-cutting tractor. Its robust clamps facilitate the harvesting of large trees with a diameter of up to 55 centimeters, especially hardwood trees. Beyond removing large trees from windbreak belts, the machine also aids in recycling soil for agricultural purposes. This technology not only reduces the risk posed by old trees, but also provides biomass used as fertilizer for orange trees. This ensures clean fields, generating essential nutrients for the soil. As a specialized tool in agriculture, Dalbo is designed to enhance efficiency and soil quality. With advanced technology, it not only uniformly softens the soil, but also improves water circulation, promoting strong crop growth. Dalbo operates flexibly on various terrains, from flat plains to sloping landscapes. With a wide working width of 15 m and high performance, the machine saves time and effort for farmers while ensuring uniformity and quality in the soil preparation process before seeding. The Livestock RR 994 demolition excavator paired with the GXT 2555R creates a powerful combination capable of tackling large steel structures with ease. With a cutting force exceeding 3,000 tons, the specially crafted GXT 2555R can effortlessly cut through 48-inch steel I-beams with just one bite, setting a new standard in mechanical demolition technology. Weighing over 260 tons in total, the cutting mechanism itself is a jaw with a length of 7.85 meters, a height of 2.9 meters, a mouth width of 1.4 meters, and a depth of 1.4 meters. Finally, I want to mention the Claas Jaguar 950, a leading combine harvester. With a powerful 600 horsepower engine, it ensures efficient and rapid harvesting of barley. High-quality design and advanced technology enhance processing capabilities and automate the Häckslen process. Equipped with numerous modern features, it is flexible in adjustments to meet specific requirements in agricultural operations. The Kverneland soil tillage machine is an agricultural tool, a reliable partner with numerous beneficial features and applications. With a flexible working width ranging from 4 to 15 meters, the machine can adapt to various types of crops in different row spacings. Its robust structure ensures stability and durability in all terrain conditions. The flexible adjustment capability allows the machine to operate efficiently across different types of crops and land areas. Finally, the Dalbio PowerRoll 1830, a fully hydraulic roller designed for modern farmers, is manufactured in Canada. With a working width of up to 1,830 mm, this machine not only helps to cultivate the soil, but also efficiently levels the field surface. Operating at flexible depths, the PowerRoll 1830 improves soil aeration, creating an ideal ground surface for sowing or planting. Equipped with advanced technology, this machine enhances soil cultivation efficiency, providing optimal conditions for crop growth. The perfect combination of the Fendt 1050 and Tiger 6 AS creates a powerful duo in agriculture. The Fendt 1050 Vario, equipped with a 600 horsepower engine and a continuously variable transmission system, is the perfect complement to the Tiger 6 AS, a modern plow with 6 blades for efficient soil cultivation and preparation. This integrated power optimizes work efficiency and delivers an exceptional user experience. Have you ever heard of this special vehicle? The Geo Rescue, a product from Romania, is a specialized vehicle designed to handle emergencies. It stands out with its exceptional off-road capabilities, allowing quick access to the most challenging terrains. Not only does it provide flexibility in movement, but it is also equipped with a remote control system, adapting to dangerous situations that are difficult for humans to approach. The highlight of the Geo Rescue lies not only in its outstanding off-road capabilities but also in its ability to operate on water, becoming a comprehensive solution for any emergency. The combination of the Komatsu SAA 6D125E7 diesel engine and high-capacity lithium-ion battery has given rise to the Komatsu 1850 excavator. With a bucket capacity of 7.0 cubic meters and outstanding maneuverability, the excavator is the perfect choice for material handling tasks. The split-power transmission and four-wheel steering system ensure agility and maximum torque on any terrain. The automatic braking system and rear-view camera contribute to safe operations. The machine not only focuses on performance but also commits to reducing emissions, contributing to the preservation of the green environment. If you're passionate about exploring heavy machinery and equipment, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to not miss out on upcoming exciting videos. Thank you very much. With a lifting capacity of up to 115 ton-meters, the FASI F1150 RA227 truly stands out as a hero in the truck and construction industry. The fan-shaped crane boom is specially designed to optimize lifting capabilities and reduce its weight, facilitating transportation. The maximum length of the crane allows it to reach far and be flexible in meeting precise positioning requirements. Installed on specialized truck models, the FASI F1150 RA227 stands out with powerful performance and reliability in handling heavy lifting tasks and cargo transportation.